Charlie Bucket.
Yes, Mr. Turkentine?
I shall need an assistant. Come and give me a hand. We have here nitric acid, glycerine, and a special mixture of my own. Together, it's horrible, dangerous stuff blows you up. But mixed together in the right way, as only I know how, what do you think it makes?
I don't know, sir.
Of course you don't know. You don't know because only I know. If you knew and I didn't know, then you'd be teaching me instead of me teaching you. And for a student to teach his teacher, it's presumptuous and rude. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, mixed together in the right way, these three highly dangerous ingredients make the finest Wart remover in the world. The trick is to pour them in equal amounts. Now, Charlie, you take the nitric acid and the glycerine, and I'll take my own special mixture. You ready? Good lad. Pour. No, certainly not. This is for very big warts. Well, what's going on out there? You, Winkelman, come here. What's happening?
Willy Wonka's opening his factory. He's gonna let people in.
You sure?
It's on the radio, and he's giving truckloads of chocolate away.
Class dismissed.
No, it's only for 5 people.
Class undismissed.
He sent him 5 golden tickets, and the people who find him will win the big prize.
Where's he hidden the tickets?
Inside 5 Wonka bars. You gotta buy Wonka bars to find them.
Class 3 dismissed.
He's downstairs. Find the whole store.
I've just decided to switch our Friday schedule to Monday, which means that the test we take each Friday on what we learned during the week will now take place on Monday before we've learned it. But since today is Tuesday, it doesn't matter in the slightest. Pencils ready. Today we are going to learn about percentages. And for an example, let's take the recent unpleasantness. Supposing that there were 1,000 Wonka bars in the world, and during the contest, you each opened a certain number of them. That number is a percent. Everyone understand? You, Madeline Durkin, how many Wonka bars did you open?
About 100.
There are 10 hundreds in 1,000, therefore you opened 10%. You, Peter Goff, how many did you open?
150.
That's 10% half over again, which makes 15%. Charlie Bucket, how many did you open?
2.
That's easy. 200 is twice 100.
Not 200. Just 2.
2? What do you mean you only opened 2?
I don't care very much for chocolate.
Well, I can't figure out just 2, so let's pretend you opened 200. Now, if you opened 200 Wonka bars, apart from being dreadfully sick, you'd have used up 20% of 1,000, which is 15% half over again, 10%,